In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency number. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access safety and emergency. Then scroll down again to click on emergency contacts. Tap on add emergency contact and click on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to delete some of those contacts, use remove button next to the chosen one. And then click on add emergency contact if you want to add another contact in its place. Lastly, make sure that this switcher next to show info when locked is blue for all of those contacts to be accessible from locked screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!